Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we have a lineup. These are affordable summer EDC, small and compact knives, and they're all under 40 bucks. First one we have here, this one is by a company called Flissa. This one actually has a bottle opener and has like a little utility tool back here you can use as a pry bar or a flat screwdriver. This is how the blade looks. This one is by Flissa as well. Got a nice grip. It's got like a reverse Tonto setup. All right. This one is the Firebird Gonza. This one is also by Flissa. This has the access lock-in system. So right here, pull down, deploy the blade. To close it, pull down, the blade just drops in. Here we have the cold steel push dagger. And lastly, we have the Spyderco Firebird. All right. Again, they're all under 40 bucks. Let's see. All right. Flissa. Firebird by Gonza. Reverse Tonto, Flissa.